Once upon a time, in a garden bustling with life, there lived a young bumblebee named Bumble. Bumble was curious, always buzzing about, asking questions and making friends with everyone in the garden. One day, Bumble felt an itch to explore beyond the garden. Filled with determination, Bumble packed his tiny backpack and ventured into the unknown. The first obstacle Bumble encountered was a roaring river. He took a deep breath, buzzed his tiny wings harder, and flew across. In the forest, Bumble met a bear, larger than anyone he'd ever seen. The bear seemed scary, but Bumble introduced himself and they became friends. The bear shared his honey, and in return, Bumble tickled him with a story, making the bear laugh heartily. On another day, Bumble got caught in the rain. Wings were wet, and he couldn't fly. He felt alone and afraid, but he knew he had to be brave. Bumble found shelter under a leaf. He realized that sometimes bravery means finding a safe spot and waiting for the rain to stop. When Bumble finally returned home, Bumble shared his adventures with everyone, reminding them that bravery is not about never being scared. It's about facing your fears, making new friends and always staying curious.